Guys, we are in a new update for Animal Company. Yes, they added.
Hey, King.
I'm going into a
Yeah, red. Here, red.
do my introduction. Alright, so welcome back to Animal Company. And ow, that hurt. Alright, so in this update, they got lava, and basically you can mine lava. They added a new skin. Heck yeah. Ooh, drippy. In the comments, put hashtag drippy. Alright. So in this update, you can get these crystals right here. These lava crystals called cinders. So I'm gonna go mine some, but I don't have a freaking book bag, and I don't want to waste any of my money. Plus, I haven't even unlocked any of the guts bags, so. Oh, stop crying. I don't have any bags. Hold up, I should have pressed PvP. Yo, can someone buy me a blue book bag?
We were doing a scavenger hunt.
Can someone buy me a blue book bag?
So I'm trying to get him a new one.
If you buy me a blue book bag, I'll give you a cinder. I'll give you a cinder.
You do it. You take it.
I'll give you a cinder.
I have a word with you. You take it. I'm reporting you to Discord. It's that simple.
Guys, I'll give you a cinder block. I'll give you a cinder block.
Go ahead, take this.
What? Guys, can someone buy me a blue bag? I'll give you a cinder block. I'll give you a bag full of cinder blocks.
10K.
Hold on.
So you don't even have to mine it.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, buddy.
I just pranked you. Go home. Get off the game. Alright, since I just lied to a kid. Alright, now that I lied to a kid, let's go. I swear to God, I just heard another book bag. Hold up. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go mine some of the crystals. And if I start screaming randomly, it's probably because there's a monster. Where's that? Okay, there it is. Alright. So if I die with this, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. Alright. Just put it. Alright, let's go mine some cinder blocks. So this lava, it does do damage on impact. Even if you stand with your weapon, it's still gonna do damage. I had no idea this update was coming. Okay, well. I need to go buy a light. I am not going in there, I am not going in. I'm not going in there without a light. It's freaking dark. No. Alright. Now that I unlock the hip slot, it's a lot easier. Oh my God, bro. Alright, alright. There's one right there. Yeah, one right here. Yeah, you can. Oh, no, that's why I'm on. Ow! No, that's why. Oh, my God. What the freak? Ow! Stupid update. Ow! God, I'm freaking dying. Now, I'm not going all the way down there. That one's risky. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hold up. God, I hear... What's it freaking on? Like, mimic or something? I'm gonna mine this. things from it. I guess. Yeah, I need to find some food, like, instant. I gotta use the restroom, though. I can't stop in the middle of recording. Okay. Ooh, more blocks. No. Oh, I'm solo. I'm one shot to a spider. Yeah, and if you guys have a spider phobia, I forgot what it's called, like arachnophobia. I swear to God, this. Yeah, get off the video because the spider's open. I might encounter with a spider, so if you guys have a fear of them, get off the video. I'm sorry. No. Ooh. Why not just make like a musical tune? It's actually great. Alright, there's absolutely nothing up here. Oh my God. Oh. I'm scared, bro. Alright, I'm gonna kill the spider. Yeah, we gotten some help. Man, that lava though, oh. Alright. I wanna make like a horror again. Oh, there's the mimic. Hey, mimic. Yep, and the spider's already come back. What a little baby. Oh no, oh no. Alright, I'm killing the spider. You're gonna leave me alone. Oh, let's try to get a bugle of like 20,000. No, like 1,000. Come here. I'm not scared. You can't do anything to me, baby. Alright. I'm just too strong for you, spider. Alright. That's some motivational words you gotta say whenever you They did not add poop. Are you There's the mimic. If you guys are scared of like scary faces, click off the video. Hey buddy. We can freak. My bag is too heavy. My bag is literally too heavy. Are you freaking serious? I'm gonna get my bag and kill the mimic. That's why you never go down. Alright. Ow! God, the freaking lava. What was that noise? Hold up, is that me making the? Okay. Yeah, this new lava update is cool, but it does kill me. Alright, we're gonna go get my book bag, and we're gonna get the heck out of here. Like, no lie, we're getting out of there. How does the mimic just, like, float on the freaking lava? Oh, I also gotta kill the spider, Okay. There's my book bag. Oh, and she's irritating. I don't know if she's a he or she. I don't know. We're gonna get my pickaxe. And we're gonna grab my bag. No. No. Ow. Ow. And we need to... Okay, I am one shot. I'm just making musical tunes. What just happened? Hey. If you're scared of spiders, clap your... Ah! Nope, this is the wrong way. No. I'm just trying to get out of there. Oh, almost stepped on the landmine. Oh, no. No. Oh god, I hate this game. No! Oh my god. This game scares me because of what this game does. No. I don't need a flashlight. I'm all good. This is all fun and games, and we're just gonna get out. I'm collecting this. I wonder how much I have. I don't know. I know I definitely don't have full bag. Because if I had a full bag, I wouldn't be even moving. If anybody wants to play with me, I'm down because I need friends because I don't have any. I live on the street. But so does my friend, so I know he cannot be laughing. So also go subscribe to Fallen 101 YT. He's my brother. So we got 9 of these things. Alright, we're gonna sell these and see how much we get. One time I put so many in there I broke the sound. Got a press again for a good look. Oh, these are also fan art. I'm pretty sure. And we got absolutely booty cheek money. But that's absolutely fine. If you guys like this video, please make sure to go like and subscribe and smash that button. No, I'm not. Go smash that button. Ow! Go smash that button. No. And please go subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss a single one of my videos. And let's try to get a view goal of 1,000. If we do, I will jump into that lava pit. Just joking. I'll do something more extreme. Maybe I'll do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I don't. Maybe. Yeah. I'll do a giveaway. Hold up. At 100 subscribers, I'll do an Animal Company giveaway. So have a nice day. Go out there, Goofy Gang, and tell all your best friends to go subscribe. Cause if you don't, well, my brother, Fallen 101, will tickle your toes at night, and he will gobble them up. So. Go subscribe right now. Have a nice day, Goofy Gang. And I'll see you in another video, munkers.